Come test drive this 2017 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. With just over 20,000 miles on the odometer, this is a great value. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, variably intermittent wipers, remote keyless entry, and more. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, brake assist, a panic alarm, OnStar, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.